Good evening, Kurt here with Teach Mom How. Today I'm going to teach you how to add with Microsoft Excel. If you've watched my other videos about equations and formulas in Excel, it's super simple. You can probably figure it out, but here's how you do it anyways. You go to the cell where you want to write the equation, you click equals, you select the first value that you would like to use, you select the plus sign on your keyboard, select the second value you'd like to add, and then I forgot one step. You have to have parentheses on the end and the start. Hit enter and you're done. That's it. That is how you add in Microsoft Excel. You want to see it one more time? Okay. Click equals, do a parenthesis sign, choose the first value, push add, choose the second value. If you want to add multiple, you can push add however many times you want and add up a bunch of different values in Excel. Close it with a parentheses, hit enter, and that is how you write an equation to add multiple cells in Microsoft Excel. Hope that helped. Check out the other Microsoft Excel tutorials I've done, and be sure to subscribe to Teach Mom How. Have a great day.